Hi everybody, I'm Anita Wisdom.
And I'm Fiona Clark.
And we are inviting you to something truly awesome. Okay, what is it? It's a workshop for you. If you feel you don't sleep, if you have niggling aches and pains in your body that don't clear up no matter what you do, if you find yourself people pleasing and you go to bed with this sense of inner don't feel fulfilled, and
Or the busy mind.
Yeah, busy
That's
mind.
the other thing, isn't it? The busy mind.
And you pretend that you're fulfilled, but actually you're not. You know, you're not radiating joy from inside out. What else did we want to cover too?
Well, I think also it comes down to how much do you feel like you're really standing in your power. We want you to leave this workshop feeling like you've taken the authority back of who you are as an individual, not as a mother or a wife or a friend or a daughter or whatever that is.
Yeah, and we're going to hold you as we walk you through this journey of what is that one thing in your life that your being, your soul is calling you to change, and you keep shoving it down because you don't know how to do it, you don't know what to do, and also you don't have the support. That's what this workshop is all about, this one key area for you, and we're going to help you identify that through the 5 elements, what that is. But not only that, we're going to help you be the agent of your own change. We're going to help you identify it, but also love yourself through it, and making those changes that your soul and your being is calling you to make.
Absolutely. So you've got all the information underneath this video, so please just go through it a little bit more. If you've got any questions, then just get in contact with one of us and we will have a chat. But please come and join us. And it's going to be magnificent, isn't it?
It really is. But don't worry if you aren't available, because you're going to get a recording and you're going to get a workbook. So you are fully resourced, guys. So
can't wait to see you. Bye for now.